Now this is a series we are going to solve. Now what is the series is all about? Now observe that this is plus 4 plus 6 like this. So there will be plus 66. So now sequence number what is wrong? Okay, so wrong answer will be the 40. Okay, this is will be 40. Now next question is a person travels 200 km by car. He travels at most I plus 2 hours on ith day. Now this is the formula for the solving this problem. Now what is the most important thing, that the journey is assigned, that person has to end the journey at the assigned place of resting place, which is available at every 50 meter. Means that person has to rest, he can be in between. Now what is the speed? Speed is 80 km per hour. Now we are going to solve it by one and one. So there is ith day, that is the first day. What will be the distance cover? Distance cover is I plus 2, that is 3 into 80. But 3 into 80 is, what is it? This is 240, but resting place available in only 50 meters. So this day only travel will be 200 meters. Okay. Now next day is 2, that is 2 plus 2, that is 4 into 80, that is 320. But what the travel, there will be travel of 300 only. Okay, because of resting place, because of this criteria that he has to take rest at every 50 km. Now on third day there will be 5 into 80, that is 400 km. So 400 km the resting place will be available. Like this, fourth day, fifth day. Okay, that is 6 into 80, that is 480. Okay, now they will cover 450 only because of resting. That is 7 into 560, but he will cover only 550. So there will be 6 day where 8 into 8, that is 640, but 640 will not be required. So in this way this 2000 km we have to travel. So the right answer will be the 6th day. Okay, ordinarily if you do this, the answer will come, that is 5 day, but that will be the wrong answer. The 6th day will be the right answer. Now coming to the next question, that is what is the unit value. Now this type of unit value question, you have to understand that 7 to the power 1 is 7, 7 to the power 2 is 49, 7 to the power 3 is again 3, and next that will come 7 4 9, 9 into 7 mean 3, this is 3, and again 7 to the power 4, this will be 1. So in every fourth power that same thing is going to be repeated. In 7 to the power 5 there will be 7 in the unit place. So in every 4, so we have to divide 202, we have to divide it by 7. Okay, now if we divide it by 7, or 14 6 2, that is 4, so 2 will be there. So 1 2, so we have to divide by 4, because 4 number is clubbed. Okay, so there will be remainder of 2. So this is 1, this is 2. So we will consider that the unit place will be the 9 will be the answer. Okay, Got the answer? If you have any doubt, ask me in the comment section. Now next question. Next question is this question. Now let us know what is the 4P and 7P model in the marketing mix. Now look, I have written here that is 4P model is about product, price, place and promotion, and 7P model is 4P plus people, process and physical evidence. So 7P model actually include all the P's in the 4P, okay, and except it there is people, process and physical evidence. So now we are moving on to the next question, that is, this is also question from marketing, that in the context of marketing demographic, into which group called teenagers. Now teenagers normally means that is from 11 to 19, but there are three options in this group, okay. Which group? Now that is 9 to 12 group in the marketing called teenagers, okay. Now teenagers, okay. Teenagers means teenagers means 9 to 12. This is completely from marketing portion. Now moving on to the next question, which statement are or is considered myth about rural market? What is the myth about rural market? Now we are looking into the options. What are the options? That all villages are equally populated. No, this is wrong. This is absolutely wrong. All villages not equally populated. Only low price product are sold in the rural market. No, obviously not, because high price also sold in the, and only where is only in the option, most probably that will be the wrong answer, okay. You can use the trick. And rural market, rural consumer homogeneous lot, no, that is a heterogeneous lot. So the all the answers are please select the correct answer, okay. So correct answer means not the right answer, correct answer means a myth, that is the wrong thing. What is the wrong? All these are wrong. So the correct answer will be the 2, 1, 2, 3, all of these, okay. Now coming to the next question, next part of the question, what is that? That is the state and tourism tagline, okay. Now Kerala tourism tagline is God owns country, okay. So we can say that A will be 2, so we have eliminated C and D, okay. Next portion, Madhya Pradesh, the heart of incredible India, okay. So all other are eliminated, we have already eliminated B, so the option number 1 will be the right answer. Now let us see what is the tagline of rest of these two states. That is C will be 1, that is small but beautiful, that is tagline of Sikkim, small but beautiful. And what is the tagline of Meghalaya? Meghalaya tagline will be halfway to heaven, okay. This is the tourism tagline. This is a important question, uncommon question, but this kind of question is preferred in UPSC. Now coming to the next question, consumer decision making, an influencer is a person who sows the seed of consumer mind. The consumer mind is been influenced by this influencer. So decision making, this is question from marketing. Now next question, in the field of advertising, encouraging switching to a brand is a part of what kind of marketing? Informative marketing is not, reminder not, this is a persuasive marketing, that we are pursuing him to be switching to a particular brand, okay. Persuasive marketing. Now next question, profit are virtually non-existent in which stage of product cycle? So it is actually non-existent in introduction, okay. Now let us see what is a product cycle. Now let us draw the cycle. Now this is a product cycle, okay. Now this portion is called introduction, okay, and this portion is called maturity. Okay, introduction, growth, this is growth, this is maturity, and this is decline. Okay, this is the product cycle basically. Okay, now coming to the and here will be, in this maturity there will be product extension. Okay, product extension. Now next question, a method by which a company enters into a agreement with another party to gain entry in the foreign market in lieu of fee or royalty for manufacturing or use of trademark, patent, etc. This is called licensing. Okay, in the foreign market is to trick one. Okay, you will say that joint ownership. No, there is joint ownership not. It is not joint ownership because in lieu of fee, royalty, like this. Okay, fee and royalty, this is the keyword for this question. Now coming to the next question, what is the charge payable to the owner or transport agency in case of failure of load discharge the goods within the specified time? This is called demurrage. Okay, next question, in the international trade, a system of government imposed duty levied on import or exported good, this is called tariff. That import duty and export duty both are called tariffs. Okay, next question, if, this is from science and technology, if mercury in a barometer is replaced by water, the height of the liquid in the column will be higher because the specific gravity of mercury is 13.6. okay, 13.6, and specific gravity of water is 1. So height will be much more for water. Okay, now next question is, when white light pass through a glass prism, then which ray among the following goes maximum deviation? So we will just write Vibgyor. Okay, from this the wavelength of this is maximum and this is minimum. Okay, this is minimum, this is around 400 and this is around 800 Armstrong. Now out of this the most deviation will be in the violet side. Okay, so blue is the most approximate to the violet, most near to the violet. So the right answer will be the blue light, blue rays. Okay, because if they are in the question, if violet is in the option, then violet will be the right answer. Okay, so they are asking about the maximum deviation, and that is why in train and maximum signaling purpose there is always red light, because red light has minimum deviation. Okay, now next one from science and technology also, an electron is moving downward in a uniform magnetic field which is directed towards the north. Okay, then the electron will be deflected toward the west, and this is by Fleming right hand rule. If we apply Fleming right hand rule, the deflection of electron can easily be calculated. Okay, if they are moving on to the next question, what is ogat? Ogat is just like dahi. Okay, curd. Okay, ogat is produced by milk when microorganism converted the sugar of the milk into an acid. What is this acid? This is actually lactic acid. Okay, acetic acid is vinegar. Okay, fatty acid is from fat. Okay, nitric acid is HNO3. The lactic acid will be the answer. Next question, in human intestine the major amount of glucose is absorbed into blood by active transport, transport by diffusion, transport by osmosis and passive transport. So this is the transport by diffusion. Okay, by diffusion the glucose is being absorbed in the blood. Next question, the cell of blood that fight against the majority of microbes during the infection known as, so this is white blood cell. Which one of the following fuel give rise to the only carbon dioxide and water on burning in excess air? So only carbon dioxide and water. So hydrogen is not answer. Petrol has some nitrogenous compound, coal also has some nitrogenous and sulfur compound, but ethanol will give carbon dioxide and water. Okay, other will not, because there will be some sulfur dioxide produced. Next question, only metal which is liquid at 25 degree temperature. So we know that liquid metal is mercury. Okay, in normal temperature mercury, though it is a metal, it is in liquid state. Now which of the following is not base? Now this vinegar is acetic acid, so it is not base. Rest of it are base. Which one of the following is not an allotrope of carbon? Now graphite is allotrope of carbon, diamond is fluorescence, but carbide is not allotrope of carbon, because what is carbide? That is CCN2. This is carbide, so it is not allotrope of carbon. Now in Indian federal system, this from constitution, in Indian federal system the residual power are vested with which among of the following institution? Parliament of India, Council of Minister, Unions of State and President of India. Now state, the residual power will not go to the state, so you can eliminate this option. The Council of Minister is obviously not. President of India and Parliament of India. So residually power is actually in the there is three list: union list, state list and concurrent list. So it is in the union list, so it is up to the Parliament, because Parliament will make law from the residual power which are to be vested and which to be given. Okay, so option A is the right answer. Which one of the following High Court has jurisdiction over largest number of state? That is Guwahati High Court, because all the 7 sisters in the northeast are been under the jurisprudence of Guwahati High Court. Next question, the constitution, the 56th amendment of 1987 conferred the statehood. Now this is a very hard question. This constitution amendment and origination of state, this is actually Goa. 56th amendment Goa. You have to just remember it before the exam day. You have to just read it. There is no other alternative way. How many schedules did the constitution comprises in 26 January 1950? Now the correct answer is 8, because now there are 10 schedules. Okay, now 12 schedules. When the inception of constitution there are 8 schedules, 4 schedules has been added later. Now the next question, the first constitutional amendment was primarily associated with which of the following rights? This is associated with property rights. Okay, first constitutional amendment.